Well, this camping trip has so far gone pretty well. Last night went pretty well. Had those burgers. Let's go get something for breakfast. Breakfast. Let's see. Let's have some eggs. There's nothing in the fridge. There's nothing in the fridge. No breakfast. Freaking freezer. The freezer too. Pop-Tarts? Empty. Empty. Miracle Whip? Miracle Whip? There's nothing to put this on. Got Miracle Whip? No food to put it on? Normally I like Miracle Whip and Pop-Tarts. But we're at freaking Pop-Tarts! All I got is Miracle Whip! Stupid mom didn't pack enough for the frickin' camping trip. Oh, look! Bowls and plates to eat food with. Where's the food? Nowhere to be found. This is how I feel about no breakfast. Wait, don't want to trash the place. I'll probably get in trouble. I don't care anymore! Yeah! Freaking, that's what you get! Not even at a campsite? I'm just in my driveway? So I spent all night out here for no reason? I've just been in my freaking driveway? Not even camping? Maybe that's why it's not in the fridge. And nothing in here. Freaking bye.